Hi, my name is Jenny. I live in Sonoma County, California. I began my relationship with plants at a young age. I grew up on an organic farm, and there I really began to develop my relationship with the natural world, growing food, seeing how it nourished my body, being in nature, being in tune with nature, really manifesting a relationship with my surroundings. Later in life, as a young adult, I spent a lot of time traveling on my own, and spent a lot of time in kitchens and watched not only how they prepared regular meals, but also how they related to plants in their life and how they related to medicine, and natural medicine specifically, and how it even sometimes manifested in the food that they prepared. And I asked a lot of questions. I learned a lot, and I delved deeper into that a bit after that, when I attended the California School of Herbal Studies. I was there for 2 years, and at the end of those 2 years, I had my child, my first daughter. And like most mothers, birth and postpartum was not quite what I expected. And I found myself really struggling to find balance and develop some sort of self-care for myself to really be a better caregiver and also just be a happier, balanced person. And as time went on, I began to develop more recipes that helped make all of that happen, integrating all the different medicinal herbs that I knew were good for that particular area of life and imbalances. And so it was right around this time that I dreamed up the idea of the Wild Rose Kitchen, my dream project. And my aim is to bring this service to the women in my community who really do need extra help bringing them food that will help revitalize their body and soothe their nerves, work on their immune system, aid in their digestion, lactation issues, improving quality of sleep, and so on. This grant would really help to acquire kitchen equipment that we need to make that happen, and finding a space for a kitchen to rent, and work as well on the labeling and so forth, so that we're able to package and send it out. And from there I can go out forth and develop relationships with all the people in the community who are already working in the postpartum health world, doulas, midwives, women's centers, etc. And so I would love to make that happen, and thank you for your time.